Halton Healthcare is ready for you to get a COVID-19 test should you need one. 3 assessment centers have been set up in Oakville, Milton, and Georgetown, and although these centers have been established since March, infectious disease specialist Dr. Ananda Ghosh says they can now test more people.
Previously, there were specific criteria about which patients should and shouldn't be tested. However, on the 23rd of May, Premier Ford announced the testing would be much more widely available to Ontario residents, and we followed suit and made that testing widely available to Halton Healthcare residents.
Joan Jickling is the Director of Quality and Patient Relations with Halton Healthcare. She says they created a simple but safe testing process.
The assessment centers are by appointment only, and so people access our center by calling our phone number. That phone number is available on our website. That call goes directly to our central intake center, where individuals can call and speak to a registered nurse who does an assessment and books an appointment for that individual. Typically, those appointments can be booked same day or next day at the center of their choice. The centers are staffed by nurses and physicians. Patients are booked in 30-minute increments. We give people precise appointment times and bring them in these small groups to make sure that we can appropriately physical distance each of the individuals. They're assessed by nursing and a physician. The test is completed and they're provided with information around self-isolation procedures and other self-care resources.
So how long do you wait to get your results? Well, Dr. Ghosh says you won't have to wait long.
Patients will be provided counseling and information about whether they need to self-isolate at home and whether their close contacts also need to self-isolate at home while they await their test results. Test results are expected to be available between 1 and 4 days, and patients can check for their test results online. If patients are having trouble getting their results online, they can also call the assessment center back to receive their results over the phone. And all patients who have positive test results will be contacted by public health to make sure that they are aware of their positive COVID test result.
And if you're not sure whether or not you should take the test to begin with, Halton Healthcare is encouraging you to make an appointment if you have any concerns.
Certainly following on Premier Ford's announcement, we absolutely encourage people for sure having symptoms to come and have that test, but also individuals who are concerned that they've been exposed to an individual with COVID-19. So we're absolutely wanting all of those individuals to come in and accommodate them in our centers.
Halton Healthcare has seen over 6,500 people come to the assessment center so far, with just under 5% of them testing positive for COVID-19. Reporting for Halton News, I'm Melissa Candelaria.